A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are going to start activity 6 of lesson number 9, fraction. In this, we will learn how to add two fractions. Clear? So, let's start with it. Question number 1 is to add. So, what to add? First part, I will let you know how to do. The first part is 5 upon 9 plus 3 upon 9. Here you will see that denominator are same. When denominator are same, then how we plus? Then we write 9 down, because when denominator are same, then LCM will be 9 only. Clear? So LCM will be same. So here the denominator is 9. So the LCM will be 9. So I have written down 9. Now denominator, we will, when two numbers are same, we have to write same number one time only. So I have written 9 down. So numerator we will plus. So numerator is given 5 plus 3. So when you plus 5 plus 3, it is 8. So answer will come 8 by 9. Now 8 and 9 does not come in any table, so we can't cut it. So this is the final answer of A part. Clear? Now we do B part of it. It is same like A part. 1 upon 12 plus 7 upon 12. Now see, denominator are same. When denominator are same, then LCM will be 12. Means which number is given two times, we will write only one time here. Clear? Now numerator we will plus 1 plus 7. Answer will come 8 upon 12. So 8 upon 12, you can cut also, but we are not doing cutting here. You write answer directly. So answer will be 8 by 12. Clear, students? Now student, we do C part. C part is 13 upon 19 plus 5 upon 19. Now see, both the numbers are like fraction, and you know that when the like fraction is given, in that case what we do, we add the numerator and write the common denominator. So the common means both the number are same, we consider it common. So we write the common denominator of it, that is 19 only, and now we plus their numerator. So 13 plus 5, answer will come 18 upon 19. Clear? This is the answer of C part. Similarly, we do D part. D part is 5 upon 21 plus 10 upon 21. Clear? Now you have to plus. So common denominator is 21. So now we plus 5 and 10 in the numerator upon 21. Clear? Now 15 upon 21. If you see, both the numbers comes in one table, that is the table of, it is a table of 15 and 21 comes in which table? It comes in table of 3. So you can cut it by the table of 3. So answer will be 5 by 7. How? Because 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. So this is the final answer. Clear? So 5 by 7. Now we do E part. E part is 7 upon 16 plus 5 upon 16. Clear? So common denominator is 16. 7 plus 5, answer come 12 upon 16. Now 12 and 16, both the numbers comes in which table? It comes in table of 4. So we divide it. If you not able to do the cutting as I explained you in the previous part, you can do like this manner, divided by 4. Means you will see in both the number should come in one table, that is a 4 table. So answer will be 12. If you divide by 4, answer come 3, and down also 4. So answer will be 3 by 4. Now we do F part. 3 by 17 plus 1 by 17. Now common denominator is 17 and 3 plus 1. When you plus them, answer come 4 upon 17. And 4 upon 17, both the number does not come in one table. So this is your answer. Now we do G part. So G part is 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 15. Clear? Now C. 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 15. Now see, denominators are same? No. So when the denominators are not same, you have to find out the LCM of it. How? 10 and 15, you see in which table 10 and 15 come. 10 and 15, see in which table 10 and 15 both come. It comes in table of 5. So 5 table 10 come at 2s. 5 table 15 come at 3s. Now 2 table, you see 2 table 2 come at 1s. 3 does not come, so we copy down as it is. Then 3 1 1. Clear? Now you have to find out the LCM. So LCM will be 5 into 2 into 3. So it will be 30 only. Clear? After this, you write the 30 down as you have done in activity 6. Now see, 30 comes in 10 table at 3s. So you have to multiply 3 with 3. Clear? Plus 15 table 30 come at 2s. So you have to multiply 4 with 2. Clear? So 3 3s are 9. 4 2s are 8. So it will come 9 plus 8 is 17. So answer will be 17 upon 30. This is the answer of G part. Clear? Now we do H part. So H part is given 7 upon 16 plus 5 upon 24. So we will find out the LCM of it. You can find the LCM in the side also, means make a line, and then in the line you will find out the LCM of 16 and 24. Clear? So you will see 16 and 24 both numbers come in which table? 2 table. 2 8s and 2 12s. Now 8 and 12 also come in which table? 2 table. 2 4s, 2 6. Then again 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. We always take a prime number, means it does not come in any table. So 2 1s are, and 3 will come as it is. Then 3 1 1. Now what we do, we will multiply them. So LCM will be what? You have to multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So LCM will be 48. Clear? Now you write down 48 down. Now you have to see in 16 table 48 come adds a 16 table 48 come at 3s. So what do? You have to multiply 7 with 3. So 7 when you multiply by 3 plus 5, 24 table 48 come at 2s. So 5 you have to multiply by 2. Clear? So 7 plus 7 3s are 21. So you write 21 plus 10 upon 48. So your answer will be 31 upon 48. Now 31 upon 48 does not come in any table. So this is your final answer. Clear? Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is again add. But here there will be a 3 fractions given. But firstly we see are they like or not. If they are like decimal, so we will write down the common denominator and numerator we add. So see, there we get a common denominator. So common denominator is 14. So 5 plus 7 plus 1. It will come 13 upon 14 because 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is the answer. Now we do B part. Its B part is 1 upon 10. Again you will get common denominator, that is 10, and plus all the numerators. So all the 10s will come as it is. 1 plus 3 plus 2. When you plus 1 plus 3 plus 2, answer will come 6 upon 10. As you all know that 6 and 10 comes in which table? It comes in 2 table. So you divide it by 2. So when you divide both the numbers by 2, answer will come 3 by 5. This is the final answer. Clear? Now we do C part. C part is 7 upon 24 upon plus 5 by 24 plus 6 by 24. Again, we will find out the fractions are like one. So denominator is 24. Common denominator we always take, that is 24. So 7 plus 5, it is 12. 12 plus 6, it is 18. So answer will be 18 upon 24. Now see, 18 and 24 both come in which table? Will you please tell in which table? We always take a highest common factor, that is a 6, because highest is 6. So in 6 table 18 and 24 both come. So there will come answer 3 by 4. Clear? Now we do D part. D part is 1 upon 18, 5 upon 18, 8 upon 18. Now add them. 18 will come as it is. 1 plus 5 plus 8. It will come 14 upon 18. Now 14 upon 18. Both the numbers come in 2 tables. So you divide it by 2. So when you divide it by 2, answer will be 7 by 9. Because 2 sevens are 14 and 2 nines are 18. Clear? Now we do E part. Here you will see that in E part, we will not get a common denominator. Why so? Because they are not a like fraction. So see how we do. Now we will find out the LCM of it. You can find the LCM in the side also. 7, 7 and 5. Clear? So firstly we do with 7, 1, 1 and 5. Then you have to do with 5, 1, 1, 1. So LCM will be what? LCM will be 7 into 5. It will come 35. Clear? Now student, take 35 as it is down. Now in 7 table, 35 come adds a 5s. So you have to multiply 3 with 5. And again 7 means 6 5s. And then 5 table 35 come at 7s. So you have to multiply 2 with 7. Clear? So when you multiply 3 with 5, answer will come 15. Then 6 with 5, 30. Clear? And then 3 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 6 5s are 30. Then 2 7s are 14. Upon what come? 35. Clear? Now you have to add them. 15 plus 30 is 45. And 45 plus 14. Answer will come 59 by 35. So this is the answer. This thing you can plus in a rough. You will get answer. So answer is 59 upon 35. Clear? Now we do last part. Now we do F part. 1 upon 12 plus 5 upon 9 plus 2 upon 36. Clear? Now we have to find out the LCM in this side. 12, 9 and 36. Firstly see 12, 9 and 36 come in which table? We take a table of 3. 3 table 12 come at 4s, 9 at 3s and 36 come at 12s. Clear? Now we do again with 3. 4 does not come, you copy down as it is. 3 1s and 3 4s are 12. Now do with 2. You can't do with 4 because 4 comes in other table, so it is not a prime number. We always take a prime number. So 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 2s are 4. Now again do with 2, 1, 1, 1. Now we have to write down the LCM of it. LCM will be 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So LCM will be 36. Now you write down 36 down. Then you see 12 table 36 come at 12 table 36 come at the 3s. So 1 3s 3 plus 9 table 36 come at the 4s. So you write 5 4s plus 36 table 36 come at the 1s. So you write here 1. Now 3 plus 20 plus 2 36. Clear? So answer will be 3 plus 20 is 23 plus 2, that will be 25 by 36. Clear? So this is a final answer of F part. So students, today you learn how to add a like fraction, and in that if the denominators are same, you know that you have to write down firstly the common denominator, then add their numerator. But when you have to add the unlike fractions, in that case you have to find out the LCM, and after finding the LCM you have to add them. Clear? And after adding, if you see that the numerator and denominator comes in any table, then you have to cut it with that one table, or you can divide both the number by same table only. But remember one thing, both numbers should come in one table only. Clear, students? So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.